Hey friends, I'm back and I replaced the upper and lower drive belt. Also never done that before, and put everything back together. And this is after the new crankshaft, timing gear, and everything else I've just done with this mower. So I'm gonna start it. Hope to goodness that I got the belts on right and it doesn't kill me when I start it. So let's just see what happens. So I'm still having some surging on high throttle, and it seemed a little sluggish in idle, like almost like it might possibly die. I gave it a little bit of gas and it was okay, but I'm not sure if it would actually die or not. So I have to do a little more research. But hey, at least I was able to drive it and it didn't kill me.